3. I think it's because we said the onion cutter was shit.
Yeah, so we're back online now anyway. Sorry about that. But don't buy these cutting machines because the onion actually gets stuck there and it's quite dangerous getting it out, you know.
So not a recommendation for us. It's not going to be an affiliate link.
So we're going to use the old-fashioned knife.
But hang on, did it cut some onions? No, it didn't even fucking cut the onions.
No, we're going to use the knife. Because the knife always works the best. We'll cut the onions up properly this time. So as we cut the onions, make sure to cut the onions really small and fine. And we put in onions with the other stuff in that bowl that I've told you. We cut these onions really fine. And just go across them. Be careful with your fingers, of course. Don't want to cut your fingers off. Don't want no blood in the food, no contamination. So make sure we cut that onion fine. I've only got a small chopping board today, so we have to improvise with what we've got. Chopped all them onions up so they can go in the pot along with the tomatoes, sweet peppers, cabbage, and I'm going to put some chili pepper in there as well in that bowl that I showed you. We'll put this onion in here for now. Onions and that, cabbage, and sweet peppers and
oh, that looks lovely. How's your thing on the pan doing? There's a little wooden spoon in there if you want one. There's a little one there, dude. Jommer.
Yeah. That's boiling.
I'm not even feeling like picky soil. There we go.
So as we can see, the vegetables are boiling and that. We just put some all-purpose seasoning in the vegetables as well. Put a bit more water in there.
Are we still here, guys? Signal's gone down. Are we still here? Oh, Nikki said she's getting hungry. Are we still here? Reconnecting. Have we reconnected? Reconnect.